Facebook, YouTube, what's going on, guys? We are here on another screen recoat today for a client that found us on Facebook, I believe, a couple weeks ago. They booked on the spot and we got them scheduled. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. So what we're doing today is we are screening and recoating. This customer had about 600 square feet, I believe. You see my assistant technician Noma already taped off the edges. And we're going to screen it down. The floors aren't in bad shape, but it's lost some of its protection of the polyurethane, and it's just wore it off, and some of the stains kind of missing. So we're going to do some color correction today. Add that color character back to the hardwoods. And then we're going to apply screening and apply 2 coats of poly. We did knock down some spots here, and we're going to color correct that after the screening. And yeah, that's going to do it. Also, they had some a guy spraying for bugs, and let this here chemical reaction. We're going to take care of that for them and just make it all blend again. Some other areas over here that just lost its luster. So we're going to tint our poly, and then we're going to you can see right here, it's just missing on the outside. We're going to tint our poly, and then we're going to go ahead and start blending it, and it should look good. So I got my square scrub today, as you can see. I'm going to use that guy, and I got my other stuff there I'm going to use. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. We'll do this hallway. Like I said, we got area over here to the left, this little foyer area, and then we got this hallway right here, and then this foyer. So not too bad, big a job, but they're excited. And as you did see, they did move their furniture. That is a requirement. They just moved to another area, and a couple of little things in the garage, because we do not move furniture. That is the responsibility of the client. We just make sure that everything is vacant and available. So yeah, these are look great, guys. You see just missing spots, and we blend our poly, and that's gonna all make it look uniform. So, all right, guys. Me and Noma are going to get started, and then, yeah, that's going to do it. So stay tuned for the results. As you were saying, yeah. Go backwards. All right, guys, just got done screening the floor. As you can see, it's all responding well. The machine did well. She's getting ready to vacuum it now. But just check it out, guys. Everything's got screened. That one layer is gone. I'm gonna blend that in. And once we vacuum and tack it, we're going to go ahead and tint our poly, and we're good to go. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm rolling the poly now. Looking good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the second coat. We get half the room, and it's looking good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back from lunch. This is, like I said, the first coat. And yeah, it responded pretty good. As you can see, we're gonna apply a second coat. But yeah, for that first coat to absorb, that looks a lot better. Remember the spots there, those are all gone. Got those up. Check it here. This responded well. That line's gone. Yes, sir. It's good to go. Now here it has to absorb a little more. As you can see, it's got take. So that's gonna be corrected. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. They're gonna love it. So we're gonna go ahead and apply a second coat. And that's gonna be a wrap. So, but yeah, guys, sad finish. This looks amazing. Awesome, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the second coat. We're gonna take off and come back. It is drying, but this looks phenomenal. They're gonna love it. It looks awesome. Can't wait to show them when they get back here. And that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Even that little paragon turned out great. All right.
You can't even tell
Beautiful. Well, it turned out great. They're gonna love it. All right, guys. We have another job tomorrow, sand and refinish for my sanding team. And then I have another 2 estimates to do, and we are booked up the next 2.5 weeks. But give us a call if you need us. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. It looked really nice.
Yeah.
Are you impressed with it?
I am. I love it. Boy, the wood really, it's a beautiful wood, isn't it?
Isn't it beautiful? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got everything done. You got a satin finish on there. Yeah, it responded well. And this is the second coat, so.
Oh, yeah, really pretty.
Thank you.
We didn't know Dana's out in the car because we said, we don't want to bother them if they still have.
Oh, you're fine. Yeah, I want you guys to look at it and let me know your true thoughts.
Yeah, I'll tell them to come on in.
Sounds good.